Are you tired of seeing nice, fresh, clean clothes wherever you look? Tired of smelling lemony fresh outfits all the time? That's a shame.
Yeah, I was gonna come out here for ShameWow. With ShameWow, you can make clothes dirtier than ever before. See this nice clean jacket? Rub it, and it's filthy. Yeah. See these pants? Filthy. With ShameWow, everything can be filthy again, just like how this scrounger wipes it. See these pajamas? With this you can
Oscar! My pajamas!
Big Beard, I'm only making them dirty for this commercial.
Huh?
But wait, there's more. It works on birds too.
Huh? Hey, stop! Stop! Look at me.
See, it works perfectly. You'll never worry about clean clothes again.
Oscar!
I'm only doing it for Grouch's own good.